Akusiyini engichuzile, but mina I've chosen you. I've chosen you ukuthi nibe instrument. I've chosen you ukuthi niyenze great things. Nkulunkulu makakuletha makakukhipha, like when you are born, when he created you, created an empty vessel. But the minute you ufike emhlabeni ufike ufumbethe bazalwane. Amen. So namhlanje ngithi asikhumbuzane ukuthi asikakhethi but yena usikhethile. But what are you doing with what God has given you namhlanje? What are you doing? Because the greatest trap usathane ayibekayo umuntu i-addiction yabantu. I-addiction yokuthi ubani ushayela izandla, ubani uya-approve, ubani uthi ni-right. Uma bangazange bathi well done, awubona umsebenzi kangcono. But today, you need to strip yourself out of that addiction. Ubuke lowo uNkulunkulu afuna ukwenze. Amen. Because siyazigcwalisa itulo bazalwane. Siyazigcwalisa la they are worshipers. La they are intercessors. La kunabantu abangashiyi impilo zabantu, but we are sitting down because msaba ukuthi ubani uzothini. Amen. So namhlanje I have this message. They imazamina, especially on Friday. On Friday, they say, why? But it's not for you. I see what why. But if I say go, it's a harm. But doesn't matter. But yes, I know First Samuel. It's 1 Samuel 16 verse 7. It's the outward part. But uNkulunkulu uyakujubela. uNkulunkulu ukalenta ifake kuwe ukuthi are you going to use it for the benefit of other people? Ngoba uNkulunkulu makasithabalisa bazalwane, it's not for you. Asikho wena. Anything that God puts in your life is for the benefit of other people. So when you are going to sit down with what God has instilled inside of you, amen. I was saying now on Friday, Nkulunkulu has called it divine white position in this space for a purpose. We are positioned here to rule the whole region, but we look like the least. Because asimanga endaweni la uNkulunkulu asifuna khona. So namhlanje kunaloko ukuthi let us be what God has called us to be as divine. It's divine, it has worshippers that can worship izulu. It's divine, has amanxusa athandazayo sathane angakhoni ukusondela, but these days we are lukewarm bazalwane. I'm sorry to put it like this, but we are lukewarm. uNkulunkulu is calling us to position ourselves with a He was calling me to position myself, and then I'm thinking about how can you say me in this position? But no, you are not where I want you to be. And the man is saying, I'm surrounded. I'm a giant, but the sleeping giants. Yeah. So today want to rise up. Rise up as a divine. Rise up and do what he has called you to do. Bakupha omama basatha